Tonight we're looking at the local ties of President Biden's latest Supreme Court pick, Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson. She's a Harvard Law graduate who went on to clerk right here in Providence. Tonight we spoke with the judge who gave her job. 12 News reporter Kim Kalunian joins us now with what he had to say. Kim?
Well, Judge Bruce Selya recalls when a young Ketanji Jackson applied for a highly competitive law clerk position with him. It was 1997, but even back then, fresh out of law school, he says she stood out. And out of hundreds of applicants, she got the job. An historic day as President Joe Biden nominates Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson to be the first black woman to sit on the U.S. Supreme Court.
Truly humbled by the extraordinary honor of this nomination.
Flanked by the president and vice president, Jackson said she couldn't possibly thank everyone who helped her along the way, but she did mention two local judges by name.
U.S. District Judge Patty Saris in Massachusetts, U.S. Court of Appeals Judge Bruce Selya in Rhode Island.
Jackson served as a law clerk for both. Reached by phone on Friday, Judge Bruce Selya tells me he remembers being impressed by her credentials, even fresh out of law school.
I literally don't think that the president could have made a better choice.
Selya says Jackson is thoughtful, intelligent, and kind, someone who listens to people but makes up her own mind. She reminds him of a former law school classmate of his, the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
Just as Ruth Ginsburg became a larger-than-life figure, and not only was a wonderful justice of the Supreme Court, but became a national icon, and deservedly, I think that Ketanji has that potential.
Rhode Island's first black Supreme Court Justice, Melissa Long, says she and Jackson were both born in D.C. just 10 days apart. Long says she feels both an affinity and admiration for Biden's nominee, saying in a statement, quote, "I can only imagine what her ascent to the highest court in the land will inspire in young women of all races, but especially young black women. For my part, picturing her taking her seat on that bench in those robes fills my eyes with tears and my heart with a sense of the possible." And Selya says even though Jackson is impeccably qualified, she'll likely be put through her paces during the confirmation process. But even without Republican support, she can still be confirmed with the support of all 50 Democrats, plus the tiebreaker vote from Vice President Kamala Harris. I'm Kim Kalunian, 12 News.